Ciao Dunya! This week's recipe is a gnocchi casserole with mushrooms and spring onions. So let's start. First, clean, wash and slice the mushrooms. Wash the spring onions and cut them into rings. Slice the cherry tomatoes in half. Beat the whipped cream until almost firm. Take the sliced mushrooms, add an egg and water and mix it well. Sprinkle cheese, add the whipped cream and mix it. Take a greased casserole. Add the gnocchi, the tomatoes, spring onions, cream mixture and mix well. Sprinkle cheese and put it into the oven. If you like, you can also sprinkle basil afterwards. Questo è tutto. Buon appetito! And if you love meat as much as my family does, you can also add ham. The recipe with ham is written in the info box below.